everybody, and welcome to January Arts and Fables. Miss Debbie and I are so glad to be here to share with you a winter wonderland craft. Now, we are in the Midwest, and it is January, so lots of things are going to be kind of real. There's usually not a whole lot of sun. It gets dark around between 4 and 5 o'clock at night, and there's oftentimes some very special white precipitation that we love to play in called snow. And I don't know about you, but I love to make a snowman. Do you know my snowman poem? We've done this before if you've been together, so let's give it a try. Can you put your arms out to the side? I'm a friendly snowman, big and fat. Here's my tummy. Here's my hat. I'm a happy fellow, here's my nose. I'm all snow from my head, all the way down to my toes. I have 2 bright eyes that I can see all the snow falling down on me. When it's cold, I'm strong and tall. But when it gets warm, I melt very small. Great job. You want to try that one more time? We can do it a little faster. Are you ready? Do it with me if you can remember. I'm a friendly snowman, big and fat. Here's my tummy, here's my hat. I'm a happy fellow, here's my nose. I'm all snow from my head to my toes. I have 2 bright eyes so I can see all the snow falling down on me. When it's cold, I'm strong and tall. But when it gets warm, I melt very, very, very small. Ta-da! Very good. I'm going to give you a great big hand. You did a great job. Now, we have lots and lots of books in the library about snow. I have a few right here that you can see, but we also have a big cart set aside with the winter stories and snow stories just for you. I'd like to urge you to take a few minutes and go through our catalog and take a look and put some on hold. We'll put them in the drive up. We are open for browsing. We'd love for you to come in. We are constantly cleaning and good and safe to be here. And so today's craft I wanted to show you. We are going to make a snow globe. I love this snow globe. It's so pretty. And in a few minutes, Debbie's going to be happy to help you. But in the meantime, I wrote a very special snow globe poem that I would like to share with you. Now let's pretend that we live in a snow globe. Can you help me with that? If I were in a snow globe, if I were in a snow globe, it surely would be great. The scenery around me would be first rate. I could stand still and see snow piled neatly on the ground. Maybe I'd build a snowman, big and tall and round. But suppose a little person took one glimpse at me, the temptation to shake and shake and shake would be too great, you see. It would start with a little jiggle, then up and down I go. Ooh, it's like a roller coaster, rattling to and fro. Finally, everything stops, and I'm standing still once more as the snow twirls gently around me. I'm grateful my feet are stuck to the floor. I hope you enjoyed the little poem I wrote, and use your imagination and think what fun it would be to live in a snow globe. Not permanently by any means, but just a little while. Everything would be all around you snowing. But if someone shook you up, it could make you a little dizzy. Anyway, thanks for joining me for our talk time. Remember to come in and get a few books. And let's move it on over to Debbie, where she can show us about our snow globe craft for the day.
Thanks, Miss Kathy, for getting us in the mood for our craft today. As she was saying, we're going to make this great little snow globe. Let's get started. Okay, so if you came to the library and got your kit, you're going to have your instructions. You're going to have the base for your snow globe and the snow globe itself. You'll have 2 pieces for your snowman. We're going to have a little placard. You'll have the eyes for the snowman, the Google eyes here. And then you'll have a little piece of orange paper to cut your nose, and then some snowflakes for decoration. So let's work on the snowman first. Oh, and what you'll need at home is some markers or crayons, a glue stick, and a pair of scissors. Okay? Let's get going. So here's our snowman. We're going to work on him first. So this fits. So what we're going to do first is we're going to decorate our body. Okay? So I kind of started this one here, and what I did was I took some of my marker and I colored in his scarf, and then I took the black one and I made the buttons just down there. So you can do up your snowman any way you like. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to glue him onto his outline. So just a little glue. That way his hat and his hands are all set already. Now you see how that works? Oops, I need a little more glue there, don't I? Okay, then we'll work on his face. So you got this little piece of orange paper, and all I need you to do is kind of cut a long triangle out of it, like that. Okay, oh, maybe I need the nose a little pointier. So you got plenty of orange paper to make a try. I think that looks like a good nose, huh? Okay, so let's see. I'm going to arrange the Google eyes and the nose on there so I know how to put it on, okay? Like that. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Okay, so I'm going to take my glue. You might have ones you have to glue down in your kit, and you might have ones that already have the sticky stuff on it. So let's glue these down here. And we're going to glue, oops, and we're going to glue our nose down. Just need the base of it down, kind of, like that. There, our snowman is all ready to go. So, then we're going to take our snow globe. We've got the base, and then we have the globe part of it. So we're going to glue that down next. Let me move my snowman out of the way here. So get some glue going on here. Put that on there. Okay, so then we have our little placard, and it says Winter Wonderland. If you want to make something different, just turn it over, and you can decorate this any way you want or put another little message on it, whatever you would like on it. I'm going to use the Winter Wonderland sign, so I'm going to put some glue on that. And you can kind of see where the lines are here. You kind of just put it in between the lines and glue that down. Okay, so, well, my globe is a little crooked there, isn't it? You have to make sure you line that up good, kids. Make it a little straighter here. So, yeah, that's a little better. Okay, now we're going to take our snowman that we did, and we're going to put him down and arrange your little snowflakes around it, just so you kind of know where you want things. And I'm going to take him, and I'm going to glue him down first. And our snowflakes. I think I like him up here better, don't you? And this guy here, down here. The snowflakes might vary how many you have, and some of them we put in there were kind of shiny ones that I hope you like. And I think I might put this one right on his cap. Like there. So, there you have it, kids. Thanks for logging in. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.